Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this solid object in SolidWorks software. So at first I'm going here for taking the new file. Okay. Then I'm selecting the MMGS. Then I'm going to select the top plane. Extruder boss is selected. Go to the center rectangle and sketch it. Okay. I'm determine the dimension. It will be 100 millimeters. And this one will be 20 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Okay, it will be upwards 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Then extruder boss is select and rotate it and click on this surface, then control it or keep the normal plane. Go to the circle and draw a circle. It will be 50 millimeters diameter. Okay, done. Then it will be this direction. I'm changing the direction and determine the height will be 50 millimeters. Okay, done. Then extruded card is selected and click here. Then go to the normal plane and select it. Go to the circle and draw it. Okay, it will be 30 millimeters diameter. Okay, done. And it will be downwards 40 millimeters. It will not be whole, totally whole. Okay, it will be this way, I mean up to this. Okay, then I'm selecting extruded boss and click here. Go to here, select it or control it from keyboard, and I'm selecting this one and draw it. It will be 15 millimeters and try to drag it. Go to the smart dimension and from here to here distance it will be 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I'm selecting the line command and connect to this point. Then go to the trim entities and trim it. Okay, trim it and trim it also. Then go to here and exit it, and it will be come from midpoint. It will be 20 millimeters upwards. Okay, done. Then I am going to select this one before extrude card is selected and click here. Go to here and select the normal plane and select it again. It will be draw and it will be 15 millimeters. Then come to here up to this. Okay, then smart dimension is taken and from here to here determine the dimension. It will be 7 millimeters.